can make up to 1,000 to 1,500 euros monthly for chatting online.
Oh my God!
No complicated resume, no 10 years experience, and no university degree. What? In this video, I'll be showing you what the job is and how this job works and exactly how to apply and who this job is. Exactly if this job worth your time. So imagine sitting at home, chatting with people and earning up to 1,000 to 1,500 euros. That sounds like magic, right? Too good to be truth. Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you a company called CloudWorkers that paid moderators for chatting online.
Go to your browser, type CloudWorker. Okay, this is it. These are the companies and the terms and conditions. This CloudWorker is legit. It's a legit work. So it's not just a new company. It has started since 2015 and the successfully thriving chatting model company, as I said before, is basically about online chatting. So if you are good in online chatting, this may be the best platform for you to make at least from 300 to 350 euros per week. So it's basically about everything chatting. So now question is that what does this CloudWorkers company do? What does they do? So their work is basically reply to message in online chat platforms, keep conversation active and interesting, entertaining users and maintaining conversation, writing messages quickly and clear, work independently from home. So if you are a good chatter, somebody that can communicate, a good communicator, you can do this work very, very fine. So what they need is basically a desktop or laptop. You can actually use your phone. So I know a number of people using their phone. I do that. So, and also a stable internet connection. You have good English writing skills. Now another language required. So this does not basically mean you must type on English or French alone. So if you have your native language, you can as well apply with those your native language and you will be applied. So another thing is that you have to be above 18 years, ability to work as a freelancer, ability to work around a minimum number of hours per week. CloudWorkers mentions about 12 hours per week. So these are the hours you need to give CloudWorker, just 12 hours and you will get paid. How do they pay? CloudWorkers pays based on message sent. With payment made monthly, the exact rate can depend on the language, country, and the project. You need to be fast typing, good storytelling, ability to keep conversation going, patient with many different personalities. So important thing is to know CloudWorker chat moderator role may include adult features, conversation. So depending on the project, it is not necessarily a customer service job like answering Amazon question or any bank question. So is this company a scam? CloudWorker appears to be established company advertising chat moderate jobs, and it says that it does not charge applicants for fees for hiring. So anybody asking you to pay a kind of money to get hired, that is a scam. It's not true. CloudWorkers don't actually collect money from your hand to get you applied. So you just apply using your email site, which I'm going to show you how to go about that. Now let's go to that. So you come down to this downside here. This is where you apply as a chat moderator. Fill the forms. You have your names here. Fill your names. Okay, let me do that so that I can go. Okay, date of birth. Please, you put the date of birth based on what you have on legal document. So you know you'll be using your kind of NIN to register as you pass the test. So make sure the name you use is exactly the name you have in your NIN, driving license, or whatever a government ID that you're going to use to register. So make sure the name you use and the date of birth match with the government ID. So let's go. Okay. So date of birth, you have phone number, use your phone number that you know is going through. So your micros, or you can use your, this is said micro terms contact details. So you can use your, the next thing is to choose option, what chat language are you applying for? So this is basically means that it must not just be English or French or every other country, general language that you can use to apply for this. So go for native English. So we have time available, so you can say 24/7. We have 24 hours, just use 24 hours. 24 hours available. So we have, do you have experience in child moderate? You can basically say no, so that you start as beginner. You say yes, depending on the information you have. Now, where did you hear this? Since you heard this from me, from YouTube, you can use Google, you can use Facebook, because you can also use from friends and families. Now, this place is telling you, it's saying, please tell us something about yourself and why we should hire you. So this is where you need to write down something humanly. Don't go to your ChatGPT or Google to copy any chat or and paste. That is not allowed. If you are doing copy and paste, it may disqualify you from getting this job. So you just humanly say something that you know. It's like when you are writing a resume to a company to tell them why they should hire you. It's just as simple as this. So there's no different about it. So you say I'm hardworking. I don't want to fill this up. I have to fill this to let you know how the other side of the form look like. So I have and I really understand the terms and conditions. You click yes. The next thing, you analyze whether you are a robot or not. He said you are not a robot. You submit your forms. Okay, let's see what the other side brought. Now what the email says. So we'll go to the email they sent to me. Here, say hereby delighting that you have applied to be part of the CloudWorker teams, and thank you very much for the application. First of all, in order to confirm your application, please click confirm link. So you just click on this place. This is what we see in the email. You say thank you for verifying your email address. We confirm that your application has been submitted successfully and it is currently being processed by our recruitment teams. Okay, after this particular place, the next thing basically